I didn't fucking refresh the title. Fuck. Let's see, 1013. Bump it or dump it. Update. Alrighty, welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning into another episode of these live streams. Today I'm joined by Mr. Hazed. If you're new to these, here's what we do here. Take a look at NQ price action, daily, weekly, hourly, 4 hour, whatever you got. Then we see what price can do going into the next day, outline some good levels. We take a look at some crypto, see what crypto can do, if anything looks good. And then we also take a look at some stocks. So let's get right into it with NQ. Pretty fast day. Last night we outlined this level, this important, very, very important level, this 24,726.50. We said we need above it in order for us to see some continuation. Here's what we did overnight. We displaced it on the hourly time frame. You can also look at it on the 4 hour. We'll go higher to lower time frames. Displaced it on the 4 hour, that pump. Then right there, right at 6 a.m., we retraced into it, tapped that level right there, came back at 10 a.m., retested the fair value gap again. That was lining up with this level. And then ripped from there. Here's on the hourly. There's a little playback on the hourly right there, right at 9 a.m., right? This was more like 9:30 after open. We tapped this level. Tapped it, ripped. Here's on the 5 minute. 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute. Right there, we had some liquidities, but we had the strong level right before it. Tap this level and nice little wick candle. Nice reversal from there. Wicks fix is going off. We have everything pushing us to the upside. That was pretty much the trading day. Here's my little notes that I wrote out for our trading community. So sweep of these liquidities, right? Not necessarily a sweep of this, but a sweep of that London low. Sweep of that, no displacement below it. You can see how the bodies are holding above it, as well as the tap of this hourly level that we outlined last night. Nice little continuation up. Now we draw OTE of this leg that we had to the upside. Retrace into OTE 786 is holding right there. Continuation to the upside to that London top. And then from here now is what we could be watching possibly going into tomorrow. Previous daily high is going to be an important level right there. This 24,965. If we cannot keep above it, there's a good chance we'll continue to the downside. Or we can outline the OTE of this range that we've created so far and see if price wants to come down and hold this OTE. And then from there, we can see whether or not we're going to the upside or whether we're going to the downside. If we cannot hold above this previous daily high, there's a possibility we're going to retest that previous daily low, as it is still blunt on the weekly. So if we do retrace down here, this could go as a potential Tuesday low of the week before further continuation to the upside. But also, there's I think we outlined this last night. Wasn't on this, but this whole range right there. Look at that rejection. That's 705. Right, where we just rejected. We said we do want to watch that OTE right there. We want to see what price does. We want to see whether or not we were going to reject this level as we were below that 1550 EMA, or whether we're going to hold above it. So far, we are rejecting this level, which means there's a good chance we'll continue to the downside, and this small OTE won't hold. But we'll just have to see and play by ear. That's what I got going into tomorrow. We'll be watching this OTE, watching that previous daily high, and watching this hourly / 4 hour OTE. And that's did I outline it on this one? The OTE. Forgot where I put that OTE, but doesn't matter now. Regardless, that's the OTE that we are watching. Hope that makes sense to everybody. But yeah, questions, comments, concerns, make sure to drop them below in the comment or in the chat box. We'll answer them as fast as possible. Crypto. We'll look at the most important ones here. Let's look at Bitcoin real fast. Bitcoin, this daily candle is a little sussy. We also are rejecting this important level, this one, 15,178. Call it 116, whatever you want to do. But right here, I believe on the monthly 115 or weekly, one of these. But you can see how we held this top level right there. And this rejection is honestly not the best. Not what we want to see going into the week. Biggest thing now that we want to watch is for this CISD to hold if we are banking on some more upside. Or the OTE of this range. Similar to ETH as well. ETH is rejecting an important level. I think this one's a little bit more clear. You can see this level that we've outlined, this -3 that we've pushed through, and now we were back below it. You can see how we retested it, how the bodies respected it over here, and now we're starting to disrespect it a little bit. Below this weekly open and this previous weekly close, there's a good chance we'll see some more downside if we keep rejecting this 200 EMA. Other than that, that's pretty much what I have on these cryptos. Nothing looks good, really good. I mean, Alchemy's still doing decent with this SFP on the daily. But everything else is kind of seeing this similar formation where we're retracing into the open. But with that, if we're retracing into the open, sometimes we could see a nice reversal during the midnight. The only thing is again, there's a lot of yeah, this looks good, but the previous daily high sweeps. That's the only thing I got.
Tau, that's about it. Tau weekly.
Tau, yeah, Tau is the only one that looks fucking insane. Like above this yearly open, it could fucking get going.
This weekly just looks too good.
Just need to break above this little fucking guy.
Yep. Yeah, but yeah, buying below this daily open could work unless they wait till tomorrow. The next daily candle.
Yep. Yeah, like maybe that previous daily equal retest with this order block right there on the 4-hour could give us a solid continuation to some upside, or we can come down really like into that weekly open and tap that. We'll have to wait and see what happens. So you can scale in a little bit, right? You can take a small position at the 4-hour and then slowly scale into this. Leave your stop somewhere where you're comfortable with the loss that you may entail with your trade. But other than that, that's I don't have much on crypto. Crypto, like we said, this is going to be some slow stuff on these. I am still in CRO, just like I gave you my logic yesterday of why I'm still in it. So I'm just going to keep watching that one and see what we do. That didn't look too bad either. Kernel. Archives and VHS. In terms of stonks, DraftKings, I'm liking this consolidation that we're doing around this level right there. VIX is going off. We swept the previous daily low, which is also the previous, almost close to the previous weekly low. But that's on the list of watch on. We've mentioned a few times. I mentioned it inside our Discord as well on in terms of stonks, not crypto. This one had a nice little consolidation manipulation. Now I want to see a continuation out of this little range. That's what's going to give us that. Ooh, swept that previous monthly low. So this could go. I'm liking that one a lot. Let's say I'm in some 54 calls. That's what I'm looking for in this area somewhere above this range. So we'll see how that plays out. ATI. We were looking for some shorts on ATI with this SFP. Let's see if they want to continue. AI. Nice tap of this 618 right there. Continuation to hold, and also of the smaller range as well. You can see right there that 786 on the smaller range, solid hold. I'd love to see a continuation out of it. The only thing on these stocks is when you're opening up these weeklies, just pumping, right? So we don't want this to be like a manipulation to the upside and leave a wick on the
back half of the week.
Yeah, exactly, and then just fucking down it the second half. Be disgusting.
I got a couple goodies I found. Actually, I want you to look at.
Oh yeah.
List daily.
Let me start AI.
AI does look good.
76 of the range. And this. All right, lift. Lift, I like that. Like that retest of this level. I think this was a weekly it will be? We had on here? Was this a CSD that you were mentioning? One of those. But it looks good. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It was that monthly.
Yep.
That monthly. Yeah. I like this.
And then pins. The deeper breakdowns. The daily.
Oh, could also take this weekly right there. Nice little below 50% sweep of these, right?
And CISD on the daily.
CIC, I like that. I like this one.
That could be okay.
The daily RPD. I'm still looking at this one as well. I'm liking that little sweep on the daily. Nice little. See, like this weekly I like because we had a wick to the downside and we have an SFP on the weekly as well. So RPD, I'm a big fan of that one. Love to see you. You're in that still?
Yep.
Yeah.
Commons.
Nice. Yeah, I'd love to see a continuation on that one.
The LTR can reverse on the weekly.
DLTR.
I don't know if it's full reversal, but like this OTE hold looks pretty good.
Let me see. What the fuck are my positions? Fuck. Like that. Oh, there we go. RPD. I am an RPD. Okay, cool. Yeah.
GS 4 hour.
GS
All
Goldman.
the financials look kind of
Sucks.
okay. The weekly looks rough, but the 4 hour looks good.
Yeah, these days, like on some of them, I wouldn't be opposed to doing maybe something like this, right?
Yeah.
Until the end of the year. So take those next 3 months to just like, oh, Etsy, what the fuck? They delist it, or did Etsy get fucking bought out and change its name?
It shows online.
Huh. Whack. BA, CMC, there we go. Comcast, I'm looking for the 29 sweep. So it'd be solid. Let me see. DG, getting it.
Yep.
Getting it. That's what we want to see. That's what I want to see on DG.
That's what I said. DLTR can reverse too.
Yeah.
For sure. The weeklies look good. DLTR might look even better on the weekly.
Sure, yeah.
I can't believe gold's still going. Holy fuck.
Come on, DG. Fucking crank that shit. CRS.
I posted GLD at 317 and that shit is at 378.
TLTR.
No, gold.
Oh, look at Master too.
Ooh, Generac. You said this one a couple days ago. Looks fucking good.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm liking the way that we're writing this 200, that weekly, that monthly. I would like to see a little continuation on this guy.
Is it hurricane season?
Ooh, that's a good question.
Isn't it hurricane season?
She's in Florida. Yes, there's currently hurricane season in Florida. Hurricane season runs from June 1st through November 30th.
Okay, so
Let's see.
seasonality.
Yep. GME. There's nothing like bad with that daily sweep, but depends on whether or not you want to gamble a little bit.
If I would gamble on anything this week, like short-term options, it would be these financials, like JP Morgan too. GS, JP Morgan.
Ooh, Humana. Humana giving us a nice little retrace. Let's see, we're at 0.5. It's either we hit my level that I wanted right there, or we're going to tap into this smaller OTE that we had from the previous week. So we'll have to see which one we get to. Let me put my 618 over here. I'll put a little alert on it. Add. CIPM. Yeah, everything kind of just like bounced out into the open. Same thing that we saw. Ooh, Lulu. Previous day low sweep with a fill of this gap too. Pretty close. Previous weekly low sweep. Monthly is the only thing that just like doesn't look the best on it right now. Lift Macy's, nice little hold of this. OTE, or not OTE, but a retest of that trend line. Love to see a continuation on that one. Master, got Master daily, or yeah.
That looks good. Let's see that, yeah. Yeah, all the financials look good.
Yep.
Fucking Roku died from where I said.
Really? Previous daily low and sweep that long term low as well. Which one did you say it was dying?
Roku.
McDonald's looks good too. Roku. Carvana. CVNA.
I like how Wix is holding this 705.
Don't look at Wix. Yeah.
No, look at it.
Yep, retrace right into where I wanted it to.
You got that look.
Yep. That's what we want to hold on the monthly. That's that level that we want to hold in the monthly. This 134.57. That's what we need. Keeps on holding. I'd love to see a continuation. This would be a nasty head and shoulder on it. Yep.
Autodesk looks okay.
Yeah, McDonald's. This one looks bomb as fuck. McDonald's solid hold of the 705. Continuation. I would love to see that one rip. Not that I left the company, but trading it is fine. Netflix, Nike, retrace back into this little trend line that I had going for a while. Yeah, look at NQ on the daily. Like, look at that previous daily high sweep into this fair value gap interjection of this level right there. This 25.01.350. Do I have this level? Yeah, 25.01.350.
Yeah, McDonald's looks good as fuck. That hold of that low, beautiful reversal. This thing can rip the top off.
Yep.
Long and back down.
Yep, and PFE. Pull your pants down. Pins play could be good. QCOM got fucking shit on. God damn.
Always does, I feel like. I like Spotify a lot.
Which one is that? It's just Spot.
Yeah, the daily.
Starbucks SC, SLB, SMH. Snap, Snow, Spot. Yeah, that SFP.
Yeah.
That weekly looks good too.
And low could go. It's holding the.
Told you, dude. Told you low was gonna fucking give us a nice gripper.
Not yet.
Mm.
It's holding the 786.
Unity with a daily SFP as well.
Yeah, that looks nice. If I can get a CIST, that'd be sweet.
Mm-hmm. United Airlines, UPS, DPS, it's BV, VLO, W, XYZ, ZMCS. Where the fuck is my low chart? There we go. Come on. Holding that 618. Come on. I think it's in that, yeah, that weekly fair value gap, monthly fair value gap. This is if we were to rip, this would be where from. Unless they really want to just like clear all this shit out. Be fucked up.
I like Costco too.
Costco, yeah. I was looking at this one. Like this daily SFP right there. And now we're slowly getting above that 933. This one looks good. Like that. Like it. And I guess for right now, we're just going to sit here and wait and see what happens. Looks like China still doesn't want to play nice with the tariffs. Trump is out there trying his best to negotiate some deals. Yeah. Xi Jinping, I love you. Please accept my tariff deal. Xi Jinping, please. So that's what's going on right now. So we can see some cock and balling around this week.
Gamble shit. I wouldn't.
Yeah. The U.S. government's still shut down, so we're still fucking data's fucked. We got Powell speaking tomorrow at 10:20 a.m. Mountain Time, 12:20 Eastern. So just be aware of that. I don't know what the fuck he's speaking on. Let me actually open details. So Powell, what to expect? Speech. Let's turn to Fed Powell speaker on Tuesday. More hawkish than expected is good for currency. Direction description. Okay, he is in a moderated discussion about the economic outlook and monetary policy at the National Association for Business Economics annual meeting in Philadelphia. Audience questions expected. So we'll see what he wants to do there, what he wants to say. Gotta see what he'll say. Maybe he'll announce his retirement and Trump will be very happy, which is unlikely. Place your bets on whether or not.
Probably can on Polymarket.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens tomorrow. But like we said, we could see that downside tomorrow for a Tuesday low of the week if they decide to go below these levels that we outlined. So realistically below the OTE of this, or maybe even this 24,838.25 below that level. There's a good chance we'll go down to this 24,726.50. We cannot hold that. There's a good chance we'll go to 24,542, which is that Sunday open. Very flat. There's a nice little gap-a-rooney left from this gap up open. They like to fill those. So we'll see if they fill it this week. Maybe tomorrow, maybe next week. But these do love to come back and get filled. We still are flat on the week, like I said. So wick to the downside would be good for Tuesday low of the week for a continuation to the upside. Powell brings it down, and then Trump negotiates a deal magically with China, and then we begin to pump. Other than that, that's all I got. A little short and sweet today. And thing, as always, make sure you guys are checking out that website. That's www.papertraders.io. Inside that community, we are giving in-depth analysis of the markets and the stocks that we were looking at, and see we're breaking down by time frame. We're also looking at some crypto. Like I said, on the daily, we were posting our levels and what we can see happening on NQ as well. Nice little chat room with everybody, having some fun. So if you're interested, check it out. If not, make sure you give this live stream a like, give it a share, tell your mom about it, tell your friends about it, get everybody in the house. 500 viewers on these. We'll do a nice giveaway for some merchandise. We got some hats, some shirts, some hoodies, which is winter season, fall season. Get your hoodies. They're cool as fuck, and they're comfy too. Make sure you check out at Hayes Beats on Twitter as well. 3,000 followers for him. We'll do a lifetime giveaway for the Paper Traders membership. Let's see what he's at right now. Let's see, Mr. Hayes, he's 400 people away. Make sure you go like it up. Go check his stuff out. Phenomenal guy, phenomenal trader. Learned a lot from him. He's always posting good stuff. So make sure you guys go check him out. You can also check out at the Paper Traders on Twitter as well. So we're posting a lot of updates, what's going on inside the community, any tools that we've got. So come hang out with us. See what we're all about. 2,000 followers for me. I'll quit my job. Call them Trump voice. I'll be like, hello, this is Donald. This is Donald. I speak for Eddie. He's resigning right now. Right now, that is. He's working for me, Donald. He's going to negotiate deals with China. And 3,000 followers will stop talking about your moms. That's the deal. That's the fucking deal. Hold up your end. I'll hold up my end. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for showing up, showing some support for us. We love you. We appreciate you. As always, we're going to keep bringing this value to you. I promise y'all, I'll be there tomorrow morning. Morning live streams are coming back. They need to make a comeback. They're good for me. They're good for you. They're good for everybody involved. So make sure you stay tuned for those. I'll be there with a fucking cup of coffee and a tired dog over here. A tired dog will be present too. Other than that, this is my quant. My second quant. Second to best quant right there. My first quant is laying beside me. Always with me. Every morning, every night, every time I come home. Whispers sweet stock indicators into my ear. On that, they'll do it. On that, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in. If you want to see cute puppies on streams, tell your friends. 250 viewers will show cute puppies on stream. There you go. That's the deal. I'll hold up my end if you guys hold up your end. 250 viewers. Cute puppies are coming to streams. And kittens too, if you like kittens. Just tell me what you like and you'll see it. Thank you guys. Mr. Hayes, you got anything for us? No wise words tonight. You what?
You didn't even ask Haley's permission.
I don't have to ask. She just shows up. She's here. She's if you entered the VIP room, you're automatically fucking volunteered to be on live streams.
That's true.
Even if you're fucking tired. All right, guys. Thank you. And we'll see you tomorrow morning. Peace out.